So a lot of you hate running, despise running. And that's the beauty of the rope. So I can do this contralateral work, right? And I can move contralaterally, which is what we do in running. And but I can have a lot less impact right here. I can stay here. I can still use my legs and just keep moving and move in a bunch of different ways. And this continuous movement stimulates. It does stimulate. It stimulates me, but it simulates running, right? So it simulates running on a metabolic level. So that aerobic work, being able to do something contralaterally over and over and over and over for long periods of time, only it's not near as monotonous. It could be exciting, it could be creative, we could do a bunch of different movements, and at the same time, I'm working my upper body more than running would work. Now running, you do work your upper body, but just not near as much as here. But I can also work my lower body just like I work my lower body in running, right? Wow, work on my upper body just a little bit more. And this, my friends, is running 2.0. And running 2.0 is way better, way easier, or at least not as despised as running by itself. Enjoy, make your next one your best one.